With the flu and cold season right around the corner, I like to test my body's pH level. Normal pH level is about 7.4 to 7.5, and just for me personally, when my alkalinity is a little bit high, I tend to not get sick, not get the cold, not get the flu. But I'm definitely not a medical professional. I'm not giving any type of medical advice. I'm just going to check my pH level with these test strips. So I'll show you how to do that. And then I've never used this product before. It's called Alkaboost, and it should boost my body's alkalinity level. So if I'm slightly low, after 30 days I'm going to test it again. We'll see if this product works. I've never used this one before. Now, normally to raise my body's pH level, I might stop drinking coffee for quite a while, or I might cut back. Also, if you want to Google like 20 best alkaline foods to eat, you can eat more alkaline foods, which will raise your body's pH level. And I also will drink like Body Armor 9.5 pH or the Smart Water 9.5 pH. That'll also raise your body's pH level. So we're going to test and see where I'm at right now. Take the Alkaboost for 30 days and see if this works, and we'll retest my body's pH level. I just want to get it up a little bit before winter. Like I said before, tend to not get any colds or flus if my pH level is right around 8.2. So I want to make sure it's there. If not, I want to get it there. Let's go check my pH level right now. Your pH level, you want to spit into a spoon, and you just put these test strips in there. Give it about 2-3 seconds. Take it out, and then we're going to test according to the color chart. So now on the back of the bottle, you just want to line up your colors. So it looks like I am about 6.25. So now we have a baseline on my pH level. So now I'm going to take this Alkaboost for the next 30 days. It's 3 tablets a day. It doesn't say to take all 3 at once, and it doesn't say to split it up throughout the day. So I think I'm going to vary it. I'm probably going to maybe take 2 in the morning, 1 at night, and then maybe vice versa the next night, 2 at night, 1 in the morning. So we're going to see if this stuff is snake oil or if it actually works. It's been 30 days and I've taken all 90 tablets of the Alkaboost. Now we're going to test my pH level here in just a second. But just to give you kind of an update of this supplement, there's no aftertaste. I took 3 of these every single morning. No aftertaste, no strange taste, there's no belching. Some supplements, maybe about 2 hours after you take them, you might belch and taste something kind of funny. Nothing with this. Surprisingly, this is a supplement that you take and you don't even know you've taken it after 5-10 minutes. So easy to swallow, no problems at all. It's been 30 days, all 90 tablets are gone. So let's test my pH level and see where we're at. So we're going to do the spit in the spoon, and then you just rub the pH strip on there and we'll see what it looks like. Match up the color, and looks like we're going to be down on this level here somewhere. It's not 7.5. I would say it's right at 7.0. So the Alkaboost did work. It did raise my pH level. I do want my level to be somewhere around 8.0 for the winter. Maybe if I take it another 30 days, it would bring it up some more. This is the first time trying this product, and it does work. There is a ton of vitamins and minerals, so it's kind of a vitamin mineral supplement alkalinity booster. So that's pretty nice. You kind of get a 2 for 1. So I'm going to be doing another video on another new product to try and raise my alkalinity anymore. I'll be posting that in another month. But if you are looking to raise your pH level a little bit for the winter, this stuff does work. Put a link in the description below. So you can get this sent from Amazon, show up at your doorstep in 1 to 2 days. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.